It is hollow, understand, not solid. It is a hollow propeller shaft of a steam ship is to transmit 3750 kilowatt. He gives me power. P is equal to how much? 3750 kilowatt. Okay. Kilowatt at a speed of 240 rpm. N is equal to how much? N is equal to 240. Okay. If the internal diameter, because it's a hollow shaft, okay? If the internal diameter is 0.8 times the external diameter, let me just say, if I write the cross section of the shaft like this, since it is hollow, this is okay. If this is di and outside one is d naught, what does he say? Di is equal to 0.8 d naught. This is what he is telling. Okay. If outside is 10 milli, inside one is 8 milli. That's what. Okay. He asked me if the maximum shear stress developed is limited to 160 Newton per millimeter square. Tau is equal to 160 Newton per millimeter square. Determine the size of the shaft. He want to find out d naught is equal to question mark, di is equal to question mark. Okay. What else is there now? Now let us try to do this one. What is the power? 3750 kilowatt. First convert from kilo to watts. This is clear. I can write it as what? 3750 into 10 cube watts. Is it not? Yes. What is 1 watt? We know watt is nothing but power. Power is rate of work done. Is it not? 1 Newton meter per second is 1 watt. Understand? If you do a work of 1 Newton meter, you have 1 Newton, you move by a distance of 1 meter in 1 second. Then it is 1 watt. Is this clear? Now everything is in what? Everything is in millimeters. So what I should do? I should write it. So here I will write separately. 1 watt is equal to 1 Newton meter per second. From meter you change to millimeter, it is 10 cube Newton millimeter per second. You agree with me? 1 meter is 1000 millimeter, is it not? 1 meter is 1000 millimeter, right? So here I can write it as what? I can write it as 3750 into you have 10 cube and another 10 cube is 10 to the power of 6 Newton millimeter per second. Because I want everything in the same unit. I have millimeter square. Is this clear? And then diameters also I will easily find out in millimeters. Okay, Shiva? This is the main reason. And now what is the stress he gives me? 160 Newton per millimeter. So, okay, good. Now let's come here. What is our equation? T by J is equal to tau by R is equal to G theta by L. This is the simple torsion equation. Understand? This is standard equation. What are the things we know in this one? We know this one he has already given. I know this one. This I need to find out. When we are talking about R, this is R naught. Understand? Because it is for a solid shaft. Okay? Outside diameter. Now J we can find out. T already we know. How do I find out T? Because I have got power, isn't it? From power I can easily find out. So I know this also. First let me write power. Power is equal to 2 pi nt by 60. Okay. So I know this one in this one equation. N is known, so I don't know T. T can be easily found out. T is equal to 60p divided by 2 pi n. Okay, 60 into P. Now what is the value of P? 60 multiplied by P is already here. 3750 into 10 to the power of 6 divided by 2 pi into n is how much? 240 RPM he gives. Be careful sometimes in the examination, if he gives revolution per second, then in that case there is no divided by 60. Is this clear? You have to be a bit careful about this. Now let's try to find out this value. 60 divided by 2 divided by pi divided by 240. I have this value multiplied by 3750 multiplied by 10 to the power of 6, is it? Yeah. Something like that. 60 multiplied by, please you also calculate multiplied by 3750 10 to the power of 6 divided by 2 divided by 5 divided by 240. It is giving me 149207759. There is some value coming over here. If I convert it into 149207759.1. This is Newton millimeter, is it? This is Newton millimeter. You have this value. Now let's go to find out what is the value of J. J is what? J is equal to pi d naught to the power of 4 minus di to the power of 4 divided by 64. Sorry, 32. The polar moment of inertia. Polar moment of inertia. Because it is a hollow shaft. If it is a solid shaft, you will simply write pi d to the power of 4 by 32. That's all. Okay. And then what is the value of R naught? R naught is equal to D naught divided by 2. Outside diameter divided by 2 is R naught, is it? Okay. Now let's try to substitute these values over here into this equation. If you substitute the value in this equation, what do I have? I have 149207759.1 divided by what I have. Can you tell me what I have divided by? Divided by J, is it? J is present here. J is how much? Pi into D naught to the power of 4 minus di to the power of 4 divided by 32. T by J is equal to tau by R. The value of tau is already given, 160 by R is what? R is D naught divided by 2. Correct about? Yes. This R naught is what? I already write R naught is nothing but D naught by 2. Okay. So now what will happen now? Just take the values up and down. When you take the values up and down, how can I write it? What shall I do now? I will bring this one over here, okay? If I bring this one over here, this will go up. When this goes up, it becomes how much? 2 into 160 is 320, isn't it? So I have 149207759.1 multiplied by this will also go up. 22 divided by 5 into d naught to the power of 4 minus di to the power of 4, okay, is equal to 320 divided by d naught. Correct, Bob? And remember what else he says here? di is 0.8 d naught, isn't it? So if you substitute over here, so what will happen? Let me take this one there first. D naught to the power of 4 minus di to the power of 4 by d naught is equal to, let me do the calculation straight away instead of writing everything. Okay. This is gone up. So what I will have 149207759.1 multiplied by 32 divided by pi, and when this comes this side divided by 320, that gives me 474.482. We can write it as pi. Okay. Now this can be written as what? D naught to the power of 4 minus 0.8. D naught to the power of 4 divided by D naught is equal to this value. Correct one? So now you do it. 1 minus 0.8 to the power of 4 will give me some value. 0.594. 0.594 D naught to the power of 4 by D naught is equal to 4749430.5. So now here what is happening now? 1 D naught is getting cancelled. Okay, so you are left with D3. Correct what? Yeah. So now what can I write now? I can write D naught. Okay, all pens are gone. D naught cube is equal to this divided by this value. 474,943.0.5 divided by 0.594. 594, isn't it? That is nothing but 799. 5674.242. Therefore, D naught is equal to how much? Cube root of this one. Okay, to the power of 1 divided by 3. 199.96, and approximately 200 millimeters. So what is the value of DI? DI is 0.8 D naught multiplied by 0.8 plus 100, 59.99, 160. 160 millimeter. Okay, this is the value of what? This is the value of